Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be giving you a Jolene update. Our good friends over at Auto Metal Direct got us set up with some parts for our crew cab project. We got some glass, we got some seals, we got some felt, we got some miscellaneous pieces. So if you're not familiar with AMD Auto Metal Direct, they offer a bunch of sheet metal for all types of applications. So if you're in the market for any kind of sheet metal and glass or any other miscellaneous components, make sure to check them out. Let's see what we got going on. We got a new front windshield, we got windshield trim, seals, we got some side windows, we got vent windows. We have all the components we need to properly seal the cab. That way no water gets in there, no wind noise gets in there. Cab's nice and sealed up, so that way we can go ahead with all our wiring, interior, to make sure that we have a properly sealed cab. And of course, nice fresh windows for that clear visibility. Shout out to Eddie for getting us all set up with everything that we need. Shout out to all the boys over at AMD for just making awesome parts. And if you guys need anything, be sure to hit them up. Sheet metal, glass, seals, and they're constantly expanding too. Constantly coming up with new products and new sheet metal to get restoration done properly on your vehicle. So that about wraps it up, and let's get to work. We'll see you guys.